The half pancake stretch is a rotational spinal side bend movement that targets the outside of the hips and lower back. To get started, while sitting with an upright torso, bend one knee and bring the heel toward your body while keeping the opposite leg straight. If you're not flexible enough to keep your leg straight, it's fine to have a slight bend on the knee. Whichever leg is extended, we're targeting the opposite side of the lower back. While keeping your hips locked down to the floor, rotate your upper body as far as you can away from your extended leg. Then elevate your arm up and over your head as you bend towards the extended leg. You should feel a stretch all the way down your upper torso on the side of your overhead arm. In small movements, flex the outside of your upper torso to dynamically move up and down a few times as you press through the heel of your extended leg. Now, try to rotate your upper torso even further away from your extended leg and bend even further as you hold this static stretch for the desired time. Switch sides and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.